if you're playing some video on your YouTube account, then how you can simply watch it on the full screen on your YouTube web here on your browser. For this, you have to open your YouTube on your browser. You can use application instead on your PC or on your mobile phone. Now I will select any of the video I like to watch here, like I want this video to be played in the full screen resolution. So now, as you can see, this is the full screen option on the right bottom of the video. You can click it to get the full screen. And then if you want to resize the screen or you want to exit to the screen, you can click on the F11 key of your computer and then it will be get back to the short screen. So this is how you can create it with long screen, and then you can get it out after clicking on the F11 key on your PC. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. And please subscribe to the channel for watching more updates like this.